Hello, I am Srushti Shinde along with my friend Siddhi Shinde from Sundarabai Manik Adsu Polytechnic College SAS. So today we are going to perform CSS practical number 4, develop JavaScript to implement functions. So let's see the practical. Okay, so before moving towards our code, I would like to explain some theoretical background about our practical. So at first, I will tell you some information about function. So a JavaScript function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. A JavaScript function is executed when something invokes it. Function in JavaScript has following properties. First one is a JavaScript function is defined with the function keyword, followed by a name or followed by a parenthesis. Second is function names can contain letters, digit, underscores, and dollar sign. Third is the parenthesis may include parameter names separated by commas. Then the last one is the code to be executed by the function is placed inside curly brackets. Then second is function invocation. So the code inside the function will execute when something invokes or calls the functions. Following are some event when the function will execute. That is when an event occurs. For example, when user clicks a button. Then second is when it is invoke or call from JavaScript code. And last is automatically. It means itself invoke. Then some advantages of using functions are you can reuse code, that is define the code once and use it many times. And the second is you can use the same code many times with different arguments to produce different result. So let's see the code. I already typed the program for the better understanding. So at first we will take HTML tag, then head tag. After that we will give title to our program, that is track. Then we will take script tag. So under that using where keyword we will declare an array. So and we will assign some elements to it, that is 1 to 5. After that using for loop we will use for loop. So inside the for loop using where keyword we will declare I variable and assign the value to the variable, that is 0. Then we will give condition to the condition, that is I is less than the length of array. After that we will increase the I, increment in our I. After that using document.write we will display that all elements on the screen. Then we will create a check function. Inside that check function, with the help of where keyword we will declare an input variable. So as you can see we will use parseInt method. So it is used to convert string to integer. It returns not a number when the string doesn't contain any number. So this function doesn't accept space. If any particular number with space, then the part of the number that present before space will be written as the output. So after that using prompt keyword, as you can see I enter text, that is enter your choice. First one is push and second is pop. Prompt is used to take input from the user. So if input is equal to 1, it means if user enter the choice that is 1, then it will execute push function. So as you can see here I execute the push function, that is where input value is equal to prompt, enter value you want to push. Then it will display on the screen to user, that is enter the value you want to push. Then array dot push in bracket input value. So whatever value that is user enter on the screen, it will so that whatever element that is enter push or enter in the array. Then using document dot write array element after push. So after pushing the element into the array using for loop, it will again display the array with the element you are pushing into the array. Okay, so after that, it will execute our else part. It means if user is not giving one input, then it will obvious that user will give input that is 2. So then in else part, it will execute pop function. So document dot array element after pop. So using for variable, uh, it will again display the array after pop method. So pop method is used to remove the last element from the array. Then as you can see at the end, we use check function. We execute the check function. Inside that, document dot write br, then document dot write ri plus f5 to start. So it means if after completion that all, if user want to push something or pop something, then you have to press the key F5 to restart this process again. Then we will close our script tag, head tag or HTML tag.
So as you can see, our output is here. So it asks enter your choice. I enter the one, it means push. After choose the choice, it asks for enter value you want to push. Then I enter 6. Then it display before push list, that is 1 2 3 4 5, and after push list, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means 6 element is pushed in the list. Then I again type the choice, that is 2 means pop. Pop means the last element of array is removed. So here we can see uh, our before pop list is 1 2 3 4 5, and our after pop list is 1 2 3 4. So I hope you understand the program. Thank you.